Hi guys, so this is the remade episode. Yes. Okay, we're gonna do Nana Cat Lost in Space. But let's do the attack Nyan. Let's see. Oh no. And we're starting off bad. If I fall, then I have to go to Nana Cat. Yeah. Me, 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 me. And you might wondering, like, where was the music, Nick? Well, that all goes to YouTube because it says that it's copyrighted, so I have to volume the video. Everyone, sorry about that. It's just because of YouTube, okay? I lost more than 53 bullets. And, oh no, we don't got any chances after this. Eat ice cream. Do you like donuts? I don't know. No. Oh, okay. Now I have to switch. Dude, why you still add every damn time? Dude, nobody gives a crap. What's happening? Zen! I don't know what's that. Hello? Ah! Oh! Out with him. Oh, it was still up here. No! Duplo twins. Duplo twins. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're grounded for 1 dexillion years. Oh, nuts. Nyna 1000. You say it's evil? How's that evil? And how is the dog is Will bad? Will bad. That's when Gooner flavors get. That's what the Gooner guys get. They got banned. Copyright, please. Next one is Nana Rings. Let's see what happens. Okay, here it is. Ready? Don't touch the screen. I touched. Okay. Okay, look at this. Blake! I'm not touching the screen. Chocolate boys. Yeah, that makes me wonder. We. Hold up. Is the evil Nana Cut movie? It's kinda. Wait, what's happening? Oh no. Joey! Oh no! What should I do? Oh no! It's what the fuck? What can I do? How did it choke? Is the thing back? La la la! It is good day for your ox. La 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 la! It is good day. It is good day. Let's try it again. I want to try it. I want to try again. Okay, pretend this. Obviously, maybe I could. Banana Cat says, "Oh, wee! Hurry up, Banana Cat. We don't have time. We're gonna lose. Hurry up! I have to touch the screen. Hurry up! It's so late. Hurry! 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 Hurry!" Oh no, you're making it worse. You're making it worse. Stop saying cuss word. Go, no. Oh no. Don't. Oh no. No, it's coming close! No! Yo, go. There, the cat, go. You got this. Oh my god. Oh god. Hurry up. It's so close! La 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 la. It is good day. Yeah. Maybe I can do the same thing. Nyna, how are you best? Even though you say cuss words. No. Well done. Yes. Taco Bell. It's Friday. Universe. I like it. The microwave? I don't think so. Nyna Cat was in the microwave. A snow Superman. How about I don't move? Would it be the world record to stay? I don't think so. Nope. It's impossible. I can't. I'm sorry, Nyna Cat. Well, the last one we got is classic. So let's see. And then we'll be undone. But we'll do a part 2. Quick. I'm gonna have so much more after this. More milk. Are you asking for the Dean that I'm thinking about? We're not gonna say it. It's so sus. Wait, if Benji X made a Nyna Cat song, then he will get copyrighted. Oh God. Like this. Nyna Cat song. Oh yeah. Nyna Cat, that's stupid. Who can make a song like that? The original song is called Nyna Cat. The original one. Who can make a re-uploaded one if they don't know what their mind is? Or maybe they're broken and dumb, dude. If I see Benji X Scarlet made Nyna Cat idiot or Splunky one, I will punch every member of Benji X Scarlet. I'll report him to YouTube and and get the account terminated because I like Nyna more better. Not Ben DX, Nyna. We're gonna fly to the rocket to the moon, guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Are these a bottle shop? Oh, kaboom. Okay, hold on. I don't know that. How many? How many ads? Where will it be a Nyna? Is there a Nyna ad? I wanna know. Okay, I think we're done. I was just checking the volume. Okay, so bye. This is the episode 1, season 1. The season 1, episode 2 will be to make Nyna. Okay, so bye.